Have you ever felt like a tree, both resilient and deeply connected to the poetry of life? Do you know that you can learn even more from trees, like the art of letting go, with grace and ease? I had been taught that to let go I had to take decisive action, to move forward quickly, to simply release and not holding back. Easier said than done when you're afraid of the unknown and when controlling has been your survival mode for your whole life. Regarding letting go, what seemed to work for others seemed impossible or even fake to me, maybe especially as a neurodivergent person. But over the years, refining my practice with the body and the voice among the trees, this is what I have discovered. Letting go is not an action. It's the byproduct of a process at the conjunction of both grounding yourself in the present moment and creating for the future with you here and now. Trees don't make any effort to release their leaves on the ground. They stand still, grounded. They trust their process because they know it, and they let go of what no longer serves their growth. And the same process is possible for us if we learn how to build our inner safety and to create from a place of joy and ease. In this season, I invite you inside the Vocal Tree series to experiment and implement practices that help you to rebuild this inner safety and to create from a place of joy in order to help you release thoughts, beliefs, patterns, and to move forward into the unknown with joy and creativity. Somatic, vocal, and embodied writing practices that will help you facilitate the letting go of what no longer serves you in order to grow and to unfold yourself with joy and ease. If you're ready to experiment the art of letting go, join the Vocal Tree Seasons. Link in the description.